want us to put our hands together for our brother Isaac Tete as he shares his testimony. He's in the Greater Love Choir. Hallelujah. Isaac, what has God done for you?
My testimony is about how my bacenta had a major breakthrough through the prophetic writings of the prophets.
Your bacenta had what?
A major breakthrough through the prophetic writings of the prophets.
Wow, tell us about it.
So a few months back, we had a challenge with our venue because the security guard over there started harassing us. Sometimes we'd arrive to have service on Thursday evenings, and he will be at the gates, and he'll be asking questions like, who are we and who are we looking for? Meanwhile, he knows we meet there every Thursday evenings. So I decided to pray about it. And I picked the prophet's book, Name It, Claim It, Take It. And I got the chapter on confessions for obtaining a mega church. And then one of the confessions read, we see and declare the divine displacement and replacement of evil men in high places who fight against the church.
We what?
We see and declare a divine displacement and replacement of evil men in high places who fight against the church.
You were praying and making these declarations.
I was making these declarations over the security guard at the venue.
And what happened? What happened?
Just the following week, when I went back to the venue to have service, to my amazement, the security guard was no longer there.
He wasn't there.
He had been fired.
He had been what?
He had been fired.
Hey, give the Lord a shout of praise. You said what? I declare.
We see and declare.
We see and
divine displacement.
A divine
and replacement. Of evil men. In high places. Who fight against the church.
Give the Lord a shout of praise. Every demonized personality in your life will be replaced in Jesus' name. The Lord in the midst of us is mighty. He will save us. So what happened?
So what happened was that he was caught drunk and sleeping on the job, and he was fired.
They caught him drunk and sleeping on the job.
That was the report I had when I went.
And he was fired.
He was fired.
So is there a new security guard?
Yes, there is a new security guard.
Is he flowing with the church?
He's flowing, crowd.
Is he allowing you to meet?
Totally.
He better flow, otherwise he will also be replaced. You said you decreed and declared what?
We see and declare.
We see and declare.
A divine displacement.
A divine displacement.
And replacement. Of evil men. In high places. Who fight against the church. Put your hands together for a powerful testimony and give the Lord a shout of praise. God will do it for you too in Jesus' name. Amen.